Advanced helpdesk work often needs profile updates or group membership changes. That should not require broad Active Directory permissions or account operator rights. In SmartPT AD Control settings, the administrator assigns access through license tiers. David is assigned to Advanced Support Tier 2. Tier 2 is for broader support workflows. It can include profile updates and controlled group membership changes, while Tier 0 identities remain protected. Now David signs in as a Tier 2 operator. He opens the support console from the AD Control workspace. David searches for AVI and reviews the account context. SmartPT keeps the work inside a controlled support console. David opens the profile workflow and updates support metadata for AVI. The change is made through SmartPT instead of direct manual directory editing. Next, David opens the group workflow. This is where Tier 2 can add a standard user to an allowed Active Directory group. David selects the allowed group and adds AVI through AD Control. The workflow keeps the action controlled and auditable. SmartPT Core shows AD Control activity so administrators can review product access and operational changes from the console. The result is safer Tier 2 delegation. Advanced support can update profiles and group membership without broad AD administration rights.